How can an alibi be proven without any doubt? Imagine being accused of a crime you did not commit. The key to defending yourself might be your alibi, but how can you prove it beyond any doubt? That's what we're here to find out. An alibi is proof that you were somewhere else when the crime happened, making it impossible for you to be involved. To make this proof unshakable, the defense needs to gather strong, believable, and checkable evidence that clearly shows you were not at the scene. First, you need to pinpoint the exact time and place where you say you were. For example, if you claim you were at a restaurant from 6 in the evening until 8, that needs to be very specific. The more precise the details, the easier it is to test and verify. Next, witnesses who saw you at that location are essential. They should be impartial and able to confirm your whereabouts. For instance, a cashier who remembers you buying dinner or a coworker who saw you leave the office can be very persuasive. In addition to witness statements, physical proof can make your alibi bulletproof. Think about receipts, security camera footage, GPS data from your phone or car, or even phone call logs. If a video shows you at a movie theater at the time of the crime, or GPS data places you miles away from the crime scene, that can be very convincing. It's important that this evidence is clear, time-stamped, and directly linked to your claim. Your own testimony must also be consistent and detailed. If you tell the same story multiple times and it matches the evidence, it becomes more believable. Any contradictions or vague details can weaken your case. It's also vital that the defense team discloses this alibi evidence to the prosecution within the required legal timeframe. This allows the prosecution to investigate and challenge the alibi early on. Remember, the goal of an alibi is not just to say you are innocent but to create enough doubt about your involvement. Multiple pieces of credible evidence, witness accounts, physical proof, and your consistent story work together to make your alibi unassailable. Without such thorough support, an alibi might be seen as weak or untrustworthy. So, the best way to prove an alibi without any doubt is to combine different types of evidence that all point to the same conclusion. You were somewhere else when the crime took place.